Hello, welcome, how are you? I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video that we're going on a wild ride tonight. There's no easy way to put this. Tonight I'm gonna be turning myself into the clown emoji. I originally got this idea after watching Antonio Garza turn herself into the cowboy emoji, and I just figured, you know what? It's October, Halloween is right around the corner. I figured it would be the best time to do this just because I can find a clown nose, a clown wig, super easy, and I did exactly that. I don't frequently use the clown emoji because I just look in the mirror and see a clown. I have had quite a bit of clownery in my life. I have made plenty of clown decisions. The clownery in my life, I can't really escape it. So I figured, why not embrace it? And that's what we're gonna be doing tonight. If you were interested in becoming like a sexy emoji clown, this is not gonna be the tutorial for you. This isn't really a tutorial, I'm just doing it. I'm gonna try and make this as realistic to the emoji as possible. I'm so excited because I found a wig that I feel is just... Tonight, my inner clownness will match my outer clownness, and let's go to the circus. I am also very excited because I get to do the thing to your eyebrows where you hide them, or at least I'm gonna attempt to hide them. What if the glue counteracts the microblading ink in my brows? I wanna get my eyebrows microbladed again. Considering how I'm already sweating, I think I'm gonna save the wig for last and just go straight into the makeup. Okay, so first step is gonna be brows. I have my washable glue stick and I did research because I wanna make sure I get this as right as possible. In order to mask them underneath the clown face paint, there's a lot of steps. I didn't realize how many steps there were, but I'm ready to take all of them on. Ew, it smells like sweat. First step, Crazy Art washable glue stick. So basically what I'm supposed to do is glue these puppies up, brush them out, and then do it again. For some reason, I thought this was gonna be more satisfying. I think in this process, you're really gonna be able to see how I don't have brows. Oh, it feels sticky, it's starting to stick. Let's just keep piling it on. So speaking of clowns, I have to address this because I found out about it and I hate hearing about these types of things. So I heard about Kylie and Travis breaking up, which can't say I didn't see it coming. And since Kylie was seen in the same location as her ex, Tyga, back when they were hot and heavy, I loved them so much. I was such a Tyga stan. I went to one of his shows and my friend and I scammed our way up front. It was the best night of my life. But anyways, so she was seen with him. And I saw her tweets that she posted addressing the rumors saying,
there was no date with Tyga at 2 a.m.
I would not be the last person to judge if there really was a date at 2 a.m. But I was reading like the responses underneath it. I don't know if it's true, obviously, but someone knew who Travis has been seeing on the side, I guess, for like years and years and years. I don't know if it's his first girlfriend, if she is girlfriend, if she's just side girlfriend, I don't know. Someone had taken screenshots of pictures from her Instagram and she has literally been in the same locations as Travis and Kylie simultaneously. Like she was at his birthday party that Kylie threw for him. Anyways, it just makes me sad because why do people have to cheat on each other? There's no need. If you don't want to be in a relationship, maybe say that. Maybe they were never in a relationship. After seeing that, I'm really second guessing everything. Who cheats on Kylie Jenner? Do I just keep going with this glue? So Travis, if you did cheat, you are a clown. If not, then you're not a clown. I feel like that's enough glue. So next, don't like that. It's like I just snorted it. It's not working at all. What the heck? So I'm gonna go in with even more glue and go on top. All eyes on me in the center of the ring, just like a circus. Do you ever just do certain things and you're like, what am I doing with my life? Tonight would be one of those nights, but I'm actually so freaking excited to see if I can pull this off. Okay, so next, I'm gonna take some orange color corrector, go over the brows, and hopefully that will cancel out the darkness. I'm really just laying it on This is gonna be crazy to get off, huh? I never do anything fun for Halloween. I'm always just chilling at home in bed, eating. You can still see them! So I'm putting a little bit more translucent powder on the brows. Hey neighbors! I'm gonna have translucent powder in my lungs.
I don't like where this is going.
Okay, last step, concealer. This concealer is way too dark for me, but conceal me up. After all that, you can still see my brow. I'm done. You can still... I'm not giving up. I'm gonna make this work. My eyebrows are starting to burn. It's probably not the best sign, but I'm gonna keep a positive attitude about it. I'm sure it's supposed to be burning. Are you really having fun if it's not burning? That was the worst thing I've ever said. I'm so sorry. So this is the last step I'm gonna do on the brows because I realized that this is an impossible task for me. I'm just gonna add more powder and we're gonna be moving forward shortly. Can you die from inhaling too much translucent powder? A perfect example of the clownery. Now I did my best with that. I can still see my eyebrows. So I'm pretty pissed and they're itchy. I cannot let this little misstep get me down. I still have to complete my transformation. Time to beat this face. I have no smudge cream makeup. Pray for my skin. Ew, what the heck? It's already chunking off. I bought a little Halloween makeup kit from Walmart to do this. It was like $4.99. I'm just gonna use the sponges that they provided me because I'm not gonna use my regular one. It's burning. So pigmented though. I'm terrified. The face paint is so white that it's literally bouncing off of the lights and I'm a glowing orb. It's like not blending in and it's doing this splotchy thing. So I think that this is as good as it's gonna get. Forget about the clown emoji. I am the Joker. The clown emoji has some pointy little guys. Updated brow routine. Oh! So it's just like wax, okay? I can work with it. Oh yeah, that's what the doctor ordered. Oh my gosh, now I'm shaking because I'm nervous. I keep thinking about what neighbors would do if they saw me. Look at that arch. I am really genuinely scared at how much I look like Ronald McDonald. I don't want to talk about it. Next, we have blue eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be dipping into the blue just so I can really frame my eyes here. I have so much product on my face that I don't even feel these brush strokes. Hey mom and dad, if you're watching this right now, I just hope I'm making you proud. This killed it right here. This is what ruined it. I feel like Donald Duck in a strange way. Why do I look kind of good? Okay, so now I'm gonna focus on the clown emoji's blush. It's very red, it's very circular. Wow, I can't make a circle for I'm at the point right now where I just can't believe I'm doing this. I just have a question to myself. Am I okay? You wake up in the morning and you see this lying next to you. What do? So those are my lips. Ew. I tried this on earlier and my schnoz is just a little bit too big, but I need to put my wig on first. I have a wig cap. I don't know if I need it for this wig, but I'm gonna put it on anyways. The wig is honestly what I'm most excited for. If you notice in the emoji, our clown friend is not sporting a full head of hair. Is Pennywise like that? Is Pennywise balding? Now, normally we would want to take some baby hairs out, but not this time. Okay, wig time. Oh my gosh. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling myself. Tag the person who's the biggest clown in your life down below. put my lipstick on. I probably should fill this in. Me overlining my lips. I really can't tell if that made it better or worse. If you want to unsubscribe, I completely understand at this point. I just can't stop looking at myself. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I haven't even been wearing my nose. That's gonna change everything. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? I've never been more terrified in my whole life. I'm not okay, but I'm okay. Pennywise who? Bitch. This is fun. If you ever want to turn yourself into an emoji, 13 out of 10 I would recommend. I could have done a much better job, but let's talk about the message that I'm trying to achieve. Even if you are a clown and you are full of clownery, just watch this video and meet the biggest clown of all time. It's me. Clowns are everywhere. They're all among us. And when you think about it, we all have a bit of clown inside of us. When he says that you're the only girl he's talking to and you believe him. Clown. I don't even know what to say. I'm truly, honestly, madly, deeply speechless at how this came out. I hope you enjoyed going to the circus with me this evening. You can do this, honestly, any time of year. It doesn't have to be Halloween. It's just Halloween feels extra right. This is for the clown in all of us. Do you think if I end up having plans for Halloween, I should recreate this look? My face is cracking off and I'm starting to shed. So I guess that's about time we call it a night. Happy early Halloween. I truly had a blast doing this. It just feels so right. Thank you so much for watching. If you endured, I owe you everything. My husband, we're divorced. I'm so sorry that you had to see this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. Just wanted to give a big shout out to our inspiration for this evening. The clown emoji, everyone. Give it up. I love you. Shout out to all my fellow clowns. See you next time. Let's put a smile on that face. I'm so glad that I'm hidden. I couldn't imagine what my real face looked like doing that.